So this is the result that we got by the end of last lesson. And we got better result than in React. If you remember, in React, all of this was orange and the best orange was 70. And here, the orange here is 8 points above 70, and this is 75. So we got much better result. And we should ask yourself what happened, why we got better result. And the solution is on the next slide. So there are three issues that contribute to this: automatic static optimization, code splitting. If we want to be more precise, it's page code splitting, and the script strategy. So what is automatic static optimization? And I will show you what it is. If you will go to my website, my React website, at the stage, at the moment of the course, my personal website is still on React, so we can look at it. So if we will look at the page source, you will see almost nothing, okay? There is almost no code here, okay? If you look at the body, there is a div and the script. This is it, okay? And this is because React is doing rendering in a method that is called client-side rendering, CSR. So the HTML is very small, and everything else is added after the page is loaded. But if we will look at the next.js here, you will see that the page is loaded with much more information. For example, you can see here courses and mentoring. Everything is here. Okay, this is part of the navbar, and we have also the footer. Okay, you see here all right reserved. So what is happening is that next.js goes over all the pages and all the information that is static, that is not changing. He takes this information, he creates an HTML, and the HTML that is loaded from the server to the client already has all the elements, all the static element. So the client does not need to render it, and this is why it is more, the page is loading quickly and the performance is better. So this is reason number one. This is called automatic static optimization. You can look at it in next.js and read more, but this is what it's all about. The second is page code splitting, and to understand this, let's look at the build that we did before, and what you can see here is that every page has its own JavaScript file. Okay, so home, this is the size of the JavaScript. About, this is the size of JavaScript. And when we are loading when we are loading home, only the JavaScript of the home is loaded in the network and not all the other pages. So we don't need to load all the pages when we are starting our website, and this is why our website is quicker. We load the page code only when we need it. Okay? And the third performance gain that we have is the script strategy, and by using the script strategy, we can tell Next.js that we can load our script here it's after interactive, and here it's even after all the application is loaded. So this script does not block all the application from being shown. So these are the 3 optimization gains that we get, and 2 of them, this and this, we does not need as a developer to do anything. We get it off the box. Here we need to use it. Okay.